Hi guys, let's see how we will use the 1950 style retro style action. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to actually make sure that your Adobe Photoshop is in English version. So for that you have to make sure that it is in English version, and then you have to make sure the in the mode you have to go into the image mode and make sure that it is 8-bit channel, and the color code is RGB. So if those things are okay, then you will need to go and import the action. So for that, let's say go, if you don't see the action panel, then you can actually enable the action panel from here. So if I go in the Windows, then click on the action panel will come up here. So the image that you want to get the style, so you have to open the image first, of course. Then you have to import the action. So for that you have to go click there and load the action. So I will load the action now. So if I go inside that, like you can see this is the action file you will get when you purchase it. So let me open it. So you will get a action file and also the paper background along with that, because we will use the paper background, of course. Let's open the action. So you can see the action is open. So when I click on that, the action will do one thing in the background. So it will automatically resize your image to 3000 pixel width, and the height will be automatically adjusted. So it is saying that, like, please select the object with the object selection tool and play the action again. So we'll click stop and find the object selection tool. If you don't see the object selection tool here, you can easily select here from just object. If you press here, you will see the object selection tool. You have to select that, then select the object or the portrait that you want to be get styled. So in that case, it is already selected automatically. So we will click the play button again. So if I click play, then it will give you another message. It is saying that you have to open, so it will open a pop-up for you to import the paper background. So it is saying that. So let's hit stop. Now we have to just play the action again. So if I play it, you see that, like, it opens a window where you can actually select the paper background. So we have to select the paper background. It will be given with the action. So we will select it and hit place. Then we will just drag it and fill the background. Then you have to click here, like here, or you can press enter, whatever you want. If I click here, like, the action will do the rest of the stuff and give you the style. So you can see our image is already styled. Now you can actually save it or use it for whatever purpose you want to use it. So I think you will enjoy my action, and if you like it, please rate that action, and thank you for purchasing.